Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I'll show you how to use a piston ring compressor. The piston ring compressor simplifies the installation of the piston into the cylinder assembly by compressing or pushing the rings back into the piston. The piston ring compressor is comprised of four simple components. The dark blue substrate is the sheet metal sleeve held together by two metal straps tethered to a pulley, and the pulley lock. I use the included hex key to ratchet the pulley to reduce or compress the size of the piston ring compressor. Before I start compressing, I will oil both the cylinder and the piston. Place the piston on top of the cylinder. Make sure all of the rings are visible and above the cylinder. Place the compressor over the piston. Crank the pulley until it reaches its maximal turning point. Next, I'll use the handle of my mallet to drive the piston into the cylinder. Task complete. The piston rings are intact and were not damaged during installation. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.